Hey everybody, it's Christian Gasper here and welcome to the course. I'm really excited to have you here, and in the next few videos I'm going to share with you exactly how you can use YouTube and leverage 24 billion views per day to make business, to pretty much promote, market or sell anything you can ever think of. Whether if it's going to be digital products, physical products, even services you can sell and market on YouTube when you use this method. And actually whatever you can think of, you can pretty much use this platform for anything you want, okay? You can also promote your blog post. If you have a blog and you want to get some traffic to it, maybe you want to build your email list, you want to sell something on Amazon, whatever the case may be, you can use this method for literally anything you want to market and to sell. Okay, so I'm really excited to share this method with you in the next upcoming videos, and really excited for you, and hopefully you'll like it. And much more importantly, hopefully you implement and apply this method and put it into action so you get results with it.